good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Lucky, man. You watching Lucky's Garage, and I want to give y'all another update on the Cutlass. I got a lot of new stuff going on with it, so yeah, let's get right into it. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I've been doing some interior work. I got a steering column finally, and it also matches the interior, so that's cool. I already hooked that up. I took the back seat out. Pulled the back seat out. I cleaned the floors in the front. I gotta do the back. And right now I'm in the process of pulling all the plastics and the panels out. I already took my little side floorboards out. I'm gonna shine that chrome back up, clean them up real good. I gotta take off that whole door over there and get ready to wrap that. I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what we doing with that. Same thing with these. I already put them screws out. I gotta take the seatbelt bolts out. I got the star thing over there. I'm just trying to find it. But I have to make sure I stopped and got a video for y'all, man. I was moving too fast. I'm moving too fast. So, before I even show y'all this, I'm gonna show y'all this. I got me a carburetor. 650 Elder Block. I got it for like $100, man. So still, the homie gave me the air filter, which I'm gonna probably have to use a different one because I can't even close the hood all the way with it. So that's a little too tall. Really, that adapter plate that I put on there kind of just gave it too much height with that big ass carburetor. So this little radiator I got right here, I found it online for like $60, and this is definitely a $60 radiator, to say the least, man. Y'all can see it's already dented up, and I ain't even hooked it up. It came out the box dented up down here. So super janky parts. Do not order no radiators off of eBay. And that's where I got it from. Do not do that. I mean, I knew it was gonna be cheap, honestly. I just want to take a chance. But really, the reason why it's still here, I'm going to use it while I'm marking up stuff and getting it running. And then when it's time, I'm going to go and spin the bread and get a nice one. So, I ain't even tripping. On to the next. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Let me go back. Rewind. The next steps with this. I bought some fuel line over there. I'm going to hook up the battery cables, hook up the starter, and I'm gonna turn it over and see if it's gonna crank up and start. And I'm gonna probably put a water hose in here, let some water flow through the motor while it's running, and try to do that. I don't know if it's gonna be today. It definitely ain't gonna be in this video, but that's the next step for that. So, and then this is something I've been working on in the background, getting this interior ready to go. This is the top of the back seat. I got the bottom of the back seat over here. They both really ready to slap in. Then got a little dust and dirt on them from sitting in here. But gotta clean them off. I've been conditioning them and trying to get them coated, you know what I'm saying, real nice. As y'all can see though, that conditioner done really soaked in, so it's not done yet. I'm gonna come with more coats, you know what I'm saying, more coats, just to really let it soak in and really I want it to basically be like an entire coat over the dye, you know what I'm saying, to where that dye ain't coming up on people's clothes and none of that. This one, I don't know what the hell, if I wasted something, I don't even know where this came from. I just seen this morning, but this one is still getting painted at the moment. It's almost done. It just need minor touch-ups, really. A lot of minor touch-ups, like right here, still blue. We got some blue right here still. Blue right here still. You know, just little touch-ups. Same thing, I need to touch that one up, a little blue right there. But them is good to go. They ready to rock out. So, and then we working on these door panels. So what I was gonna do at first, I sanded them down and I was just gonna paint them. And then I came across this wrap online and I was like, you know what? Let me try my hand with this. And this is really just like a rough draft. I'm gonna work on my corners a little bit more. With this one, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna fit this corner in to where it's nice and tight. If y'all got any suggestions, man, tap in and let me know. And then what I'm finna do right here is I'm gonna trim this off to about right here. And we're gonna come with another one. They go like this. And then I'm gonna come with a whole nother one to go here to where it's all this is flat and even. Then on this side, same deal. We gonna come from here to here, cover it up, make sure it's flat and even, make sure we gonna trim this right here. That's why I ain't tripping on them little air holes right now, because this is gonna get trimmed down to about right here. Where that, you see where that's going. You know what I'm saying? Right down the middle. But ain't no upholstery shop teach me this. I'm just doing it off the muscle, man. So don't hate, appreciate, man. If y'all got some suggestions, man, make sure y'all comment. I got the Impala over here charging up. The battery is actually coming along well, so we might be ready to start. Look like we at 100%. So the next video is we're gonna be cleaning this up, pulling him out. We're gonna do a deep clean up the engine bay real good, clean that intake up over there. You see that mug done got real dusty in here. So clean all this up. We're gonna do a real deep clean on him. Get this interior right, because I just been sitting in here chilling, and it done got dirty from me hopping in and out. So I'm dusty from just sitting. So we're gonna get that together. And then with this back thing right here, I'm gonna wrap this, and I found somebody that's gonna redo my seats for less than $200 each. So we're gonna get them redone, the back seats redone, front seats redone. Front seats ain't bad, but it's some stuff that I done did. I did this and this. They was good before that. I don't know where that one came from, but you know, just little stuff that bothers me because it's my car and I want to get fixed. And the real reason I ain't been really driving it is these little rust spots, man. They bug me. They bug me real bad. So I don't know if I'm gonna be getting this fixed soon because I'm really focused on this, but I'm gonna show y'all the flaws, man. I ain't tripping because it's gonna be right one day. But we is gonna pull him out, clean him up. I'm gonna air this tire up over here. If it come up, we'll see. Yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, comment anything y'all got to comment. Good, bad, ugly, whatever. Yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. So, man, we up here at the shop with it. I got Nick Loke in the building. I got my guy, Cam. You know what I'm saying? G-Body Cam in here, man. He's sitting in one. He got one behind. Got another one at home. Yeah, man. We up here at the shop just fucking around. Bro up here got the Caprice out. He finna put this carpet in. I think he putting some seats in. So, man, I got a little bit for y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe, like the video. And yeah. He got the green machine. Papa and Green Machine's son over here. And then he pop out Green Machine. You see he got on green too. Nah, man, but I don't know if he gonna go back with the same green on the car, but this gold carpet and that green, that shit go crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Just looking at it on camera, I ain't even really just looked at it till I'm sitting there looking at the camera talking to y'all. But that shit kind of go crazy. He got me thinking, man. He got me thinking. I ain't gonna go and get the same exact color carpet as him or nothing like that, but he got me thinking, bro. That shit kind of clean. It ain't start. You just gave up on it.
I'm about to put that battery on the truck.
These is some good thick wires, some 10 gauge wires.
Weak, huh?
0 gauge is the best, but I mean, shit, 10 gauge ain't bad. It ain't super skinny.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I need you to extract them from me. Just that one you did. Can you do that for me? I'll pay you, gang.
You ain't gotta pay me, man. You supposed to extract it, man. I was supposed to clean it.
I know, man. I really wasn't even tripping. I was just gonna just place them in here because I feel like I still need more time for that carpet to dry and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, mamas.
I mean, not
that
dry,
shit really ready to go in there. You just ain't got time to cut it, and
on me, I don't.
you gotta take your time with that shit, man.
Yes, sir. You are very correct.
You ain't trying to just throw that shit in there.
Ain't gonna happen.
Unless you want to buy another carpet in 6 months. Niggas gonna be looking at the carpet like, bro, who did that? I ain't gonna lie, I gotta redo my carpet in my, yeah, that was my first time, so.
I'm trying to do everything strategically, properly papered, you know what I'm saying? Moved in a proper move.
Yeah.
Shit, and I probably need some starter fluid for this job. I hope not, though.
Yeah, this is a good car, y'all. Y'all see everything is still here. All the emission controls, all that still here. It run good and solid, man. We don't like to just buy bullshit. It gotta be worth something. It gotta be worth something, man. But we done bought some bullshit in our days before. Shit. Man, I want y'all to see this car though, cause man, when he done with it, man, y'all gonna be like, damn. I'll be telling him to finish the Green Machine, but he don't love it that much.
I need some starter fluid. You got some?
Shit, nope. I got a mechanic to you, man. Shit. Where you get these panels from? They fit? No, they don't fit. They don't fit. Look like it might fit on there. You sure you don't need no gas?
I need some starter fluid for sure. Do you have starter fluid, Cam?
I ain't gonna lie. If I was to steal a car out of here, it'll probably be this one. It'll probably be this one right here. They be treating Mr. Kev car any kind of way. Y'all see this? Look at all this shit on here. They treat this car any kind of way, man. I'd kick everybody's ass if it was my car. Yeah, you gotta come up here, Mr. Kev. You gotta be active. Work on your shit. It's a bro-ham. Man. It become a shelf after a while. See that motherfucker shelf right there? Really, that should be the shelf. I'm not gonna lie. This one over here in this corner. But he got the hood up to keep it. I guess that's keeping people from shelving that motherfucker. No, it's still shit out. I didn't see all this shit in the hood. That's crazy. I'll be telling bro, man, he need to go and let me buff this motherfucker one time. He don't need no paint job. Caught a cold start. Caught a cold start.